I don't want to put too much pressure on the piece being about things or that. It really comes out of, I think, a period in history that was certainly unique to me and I think everybody else. And these senses of frustration, but also time moving painfully slowly and things changing around you, but almost imperceptibly. And then long periods of nothingness. Even in my kind of life with a child, wife, and all those school, and I teach, and so all those kinds of things, still everything shifted, every feeling shifted in how that year went. You know, I didn't see my mother, like many of you, who's 87 for, you know, close to 2 years, which is amazing. And so the piece came out of a lot of that. And then within that context of the pandemic is this insane election. And I think the origin of the piece was probably angrier, maybe, or more frightening than what kind of came out the other end. I had images of the chain being more erratic and more slightly out of control and slightly more scary. But as often the case with my work, I kind of keep removing things that are extraneous or not needed or take away from the kind of core elements of what I want to happen. And yeah, it just became this kind of slow ramping up until you realize that this huge thing is swinging in front of you.